Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 439. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to buy $1 of Bitcoin every day for this experiment. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab and then the Bitcoin section. So Bitcoin currently sitting at $7,133, down about 1% today. Pretty steady over the week and a little bit up over the month. For the most part, just kind of going sideways right now. It's kind of bouncing around in between some moving averages, and it's just kind of a waiting game to see if it's gonna go up or down from here. So we've actually got a brand new button on here now. You can see this arrow icon in the bottom right corner. So that's a quick button to deposit or send Bitcoin. So I could take Bitcoin from a different wallet and deposit it here, or I could take Bitcoin from my Cash App wallet and send it to somewhere else. I have a tutorial on how to do this on my channel, but I'll have to make an updated version for this now. But let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy in the bottom left, tap the three dots, type $7. So I'm doing $7 a week every Friday. Tap next and scan my fingerprint. It's gonna give us the order details here, and then we can just tap confirm. And just like that, we've purchased $7 more of Bitcoin. So now we have $436.77 in here. I'll go ahead and do the math on that for fun. 436.77 divided by 439 days equals a 0.99x on our investment. So pretty much break even at this point. Been buying a little over a year. There's the all-time chart. So I started buying around right here, and we've just kind of been going sideways. You know, we're up then down, but when it averages out, it's just kind of a wash. So that's the plan, just gonna keep buying $1 of Bitcoin every day, dollar cost averaging. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the